Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play Forza Horizon 5 with your Moza R5. First, ensure your Moza R5 wheelbase and pedals are securely connected to your PC. Next, install the most recent Moza Pithouse software and drivers to guarantee full compatibility and optimal performance. Once your hardware and software are ready, launch Forza Horizon 5 and head straight into the game's controller settings menu to begin the configuration process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Once in the game settings, select your Moza R5 as the primary input device. This tells Forza Horizon 5 to recognize and use your wheel. Then, dive into the force feedback settings. Experiment with these to find a balance that provides realistic road feel without being overwhelming, giving you optimal control. Finally, carefully calibrate your steering, acceleration, and brake dead zones to eliminate any input lag or unintended actions, ensuring precise responses. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, staying hydrated during long gaming sessions is super important. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To truly master Forza Horizon 5 with your Moza R5, experiment with various car tunes. Different setups can drastically change how a vehicle handles, so find what best suits your driving style. Dedicate time to practice on diverse track types, from asphalt circuits to dirt roads, to sharpen your skills and improve your lap times. Also, consider exploring community-shared settings online. These can offer valuable insights and enhance the realism of your driving experience.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.